So I got this binder, right? This was at the dollar store. Very cute. And I was thinking, put my sticker collection in here. So let's start. All these stickers. So let's begin. Here's page 1. Stitch and all this. This is like my sticker collection. I collect stickers. And this is page 2. Let's put it there. So far so good. Look at these stickers. You gotta be careful though. I only got like 4 pages of stickers, but that's not gonna stop me. Let's put this one here. And yes, I forgot to cover that. Okay, it doesn't matter. I do live in Niles, Michigan, but I'm not gonna say what part. And then this. We should add more stickers, shall we? Yeah. Add more stickers, so I got some stickers left. Adding more stickers, but this is like all the collection I have so far. We'll just close that. See how it looks. Easy to turn. I like my sticker collection. Well, just like random stickers. Like these are just random stickers I got at the flea market or just found in my room. Look at Hello Kitty, she's a rock star this time. And all that, just random. So yeah, this is just how you I just wanted to organize this. I can't wait to like add more stickers and I can look back on these. Love can tell a million stories. Here's one. This is from the Bible verse. When you go through deep waters, I'll be with you. I like that saying. That's a Bible verse. Now this is just a sticker that my dad gave me. This was off his shirt. Like, it came with his shirt. I don't remember much of this. But this just has random. Obviously, it has my hometown's name, but it's alright. Just Niles, Michigan. I've been living there for years, but I like my sticker collection. Fries before guys, that's funny. And just random stickers, like I said. That's all I have to show, but yeah. Gonna keep up on this.